Matthews on your head. It's
He said
horrible.
usually they don't let it
Oh,
come
they
out.
have one.
Oh, because you're not supposed to.
No! Don't put on me.
I don't like that.
Put it on Chris.
Wag po sa akin, sa kanya. Go get
That
it.
was a mistake.
Okay, oh, there you go. Now you got two.
1, 2, 3.
It's
looking right at me.
Yeah, see? It's a big tail there.
So what happens if we touch it?
Nothing.
That look like, that look like a tree.
He's saying that
Look like a
when
branch.
we have someone
Yeah.
here, no one
Yeah.
can touch
Ang
it.
Pilipino, di pwede talaga English very easy.
Yeah.
Yung Koreano, wala.
Oh, Korean, yeah.
Kahapon, ay isang linggo sila. Biglang mapasok babae dito, ay may aso dito. Sabi ko, where are you going? Ano? Ano?
Oh, they don't speak English, yeah. Korean don't speak English, yeah.
Kahit iba lang, kawawa. Gusto niya CR.
Oh, bathroom, yeah. Oh,
Hindi niya alam.
Oh, hindi niya alam sabihin.
Sabi
So you
ko,
can understand.
Siguro naiibit na siya, siyempre babae. Sabi ko nila ka sa tabi-tabi.
Okay. Ay,
Tabi-tabi guys.
oh,
Na.
oh,
Nakapos sa akin ng sandal.
Oh.
Text you.
That's good. Oh, he was talking about,
Kasi Filipino, kahit katulong, marunong din.
mabuti naman mabait.
Kasi wala.